The U.S. Army Engineer Research and Development Center's Geotechnical and Structures Laboratory will evaluate different materials for camouflage repairs at the Silver Flag exercise site on Tyndall Air Force Base, Florida.
A camouflage is similar to a crater, except the munition actually penetrates the pavement and detonates underneath it. So it leaves a void underneath the pavement, and the pavement surface is fairly intact. It's more difficult to detect the damage, but it also has the potential to cave in under the weight of an aircraft, and that could cause damage to the aircraft as well as injury to people.
In these situations, typical crater repair procedures, such as saw cutting and debris removal, are likely unnecessary. Instead, the engineers will determine the suitability of different materials that best stabilizes camouflage subsurface voids.
And some of those things that we're looking at range from expanding foams that we can pour into the hole, into the cavity, and it expands and fills it up, to rapid setting flowable fill, which is a concrete type product that we can pour in and it kind of fills up the cavity.
After repairs, the concrete slabs are measured by topographical survey to establish baseline elevation. Then it's tested.
We use the C-17 load cart to simulate aircraft traffic, and we'll apply numerous passes to the repaired damage, and we'll take readings at different pass intervals just to see how the traffic is affecting the repair and if it's able to hold up.
The engineer's readings comes from simple tests such as
going out and counting the cracks and seeing how the crack develops in the concrete,
to more complex tests with a fallen weight deflectometer,
which is a very sophisticated machine that drops a weight on the pavement but takes very minute deflection measurements, and so we can see how the stiffness of the pavement changes over time before the repair, after the repair, and as the repair might degrade under traffic. The idea is that we could repair the damage without ever having to tear out the pavement. That saves time as well as cost. The ultimate goal is that we can demonstrate that the repair can sustain traffic and also sustain further operations in the event of a real attack and a real repair.
Resuming aircraft launch and recovery operations is usually a first-order concern, so it's critical that repairs are completed in an expedient manner. For the Army Corps of Engineers, I'm Vince Mouzan.